Sony is back in 2026 with a phone that proves size doesn't define strength. Meet the Sony Xperia 2 2026, a compact flagship that blends premium design, professional-grade camera tech, and pure Android experience into one powerful device. If you're tired of oversized smartphones and want something elegant yet powerful, this phone might just steal your heart. Starting with the design, the Xperia 2 continues Sony's iconic minimalist look. The slim, boxy frame with Gorilla Glass protection feels premium the moment you hold it. Its compact size makes one-handed use effortless, while the matte finish resists fingerprints beautifully. This is a phone made for users who value comfort without compromising on style. The display is where Sony truly shines. The Xperia 2 features a 6.1-inch OLED display with Full HD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are natural, not oversaturated, thanks to Sony's Creator Mode powered by Cine Alta technology. Whether you're watching Netflix, gaming, or editing photos, the visuals feel cinematic and incredibly smooth. Under the hood, the Xperia 2 2026 is powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB ultra-fast storage. Performance is buttery smooth, from heavy gaming to multitasking, with zero lag. Sony's clean, near-stock Android experience makes everything feel fast, fluid, and distraction-free. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where Sony flexes its true power. The Xperia 2 packs a dual-camera system with a 50-megapixels main sensor enhanced by Sony's alpha camera technology. Real-time eye autofocus, advanced HDR, and professional manual controls give creators complete freedom. Video recording is stunning with 4K HDR support, cinematic color science, and industry-leading stabilization, perfect for vloggers and filmmakers. The front camera delivers sharp, natural selfies and excellent video quality, ideal for content creators and live streamers. Battery life is another pleasant surprise. The 4,500 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, thanks to Sony's intelligent power optimization. With fast charging and wireless charging support, topping up is quick and convenient. Audio lovers will be thrilled. Yes, the 3.5mm headphone jack is still here, paired with front-facing stereo speakers and high-res audio support. This is one of the few flagship phones that truly respects music lovers. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 2 2026 is not for everyone, it's for people who appreciate compact design, professional cameras, clean software, and premium craftsmanship. It's a bold reminder that Sony doesn't follow trends, it perfects its own path. If you want a true creator's smartphone in a compact body, the Xperia 2 is absolutely worth your attention.